Ready to level up your girls' summer hiking adventures? Today, I'm unboxing the ultimate guide to girls' hiking socks. And trust me, these are total game changers. If you thought socks couldn't be fun and functional, think again. These vibrant, moisture-wicking wonders are made for movement, exploration, and serious comfort. From playful unicorn prints to bold mountain-ready designs, each pair is crafted to keep up with even the wildest young adventurers. The Cotton Crew socks? Incredibly soft, breathable, and perfect for long trail days or just running around the park. I was seriously impressed by the reinforced heels and toes. No more holes after one hike. And let's talk about those thickened pink pairs. So cozy your kid might never want to take them off. What really stands out is the quick dry tech. Whether they're wading through streams or jumping in puddles, you know they will, their feet stay cool, dry, and blister-free. No more whining halfway through the trail. All the socks in this guide come from top-rated brands, tested by real kids with endless energy. They're built to last and look cute while doing it. My top pick? The moisture-wicking cushioned socks. They're like little foot hugs for every hike. So if you're gearing up for summer adventures, make sure their feet are dressed for the journey. Trust me, great socks make all the difference. Click the link in the description to check out the full 2025 guide and treat those tiny toes to the best hiking socks around.